Good afternoon. My name is Sofia Daniela Dueñez Carmona, and I will talk about the topic of nanoplastic in drinking water. Um, what are nanoplastics? Today, today we're going to learn about nanoplastics. Um, these are tiny pieces of plastics that are so small and can see them with your eyes. Um, they come from bigger pieces of plastics, like bottles and bags, um, that break down into these little bits. Just like when you break a cookies into crumbs, that's how nanoplastics are made. How do they get into our water? Now, let's find out how these tiny plastic get into our drinking water. One way is when a big plastic thing breaks apart because of the sun and heat. Um, Another way it's when we wash our clothes made from plastic. Teeny bits can wash in and mix with the water. Sometimes, when water is put into plastic bottles, like bits of plastic can sneak into the water too. Isn't that surprising? While no, no, why should we care? So why do we need to care about these nanoplastics? Well, they can make us feel not so good. They can change the friendly germs in our tummies that help us digest the food. It's two terms get upset with my head tummy arches or feel sick. We want to keep our bodies happy and healthy. Um, what happens to us now let's talk about how nanoplastic can affect our health. When we drink water with these teeny plastics, they can change the good germs in our tummies. These germs help us digest our food and keeps us healthy. In the good germs get upset with might have tummy arches or feel sick. Also, nanoplastic can make our intestines or be too open. This means that bad things from our food can sneak into our blood, which is not good and all. This can make us feel tired of even cranky. We want to feel happy and full of energy. And what are scientists doing? Uh, but don't worry, there are the smart scientists who are working hard to help us. They are studying how these tiny plastic affect our bodies. They found that nanoplastic can cause inflammation, which is like when you scrape your knee and it gets red and puffy. Um, this means our bodies are trying to fight on something that doesn't belong there. Thank you.
Hello, I speak for the consequence in the nanoplastic in the human body. So far, research on the possible health impacts consuming nanoplastic has yielded mixed results. Yes, in the image showing several pathologies in the human body and different organs. Uh, for lungs and kidneys. Mm, these organs several damage for nanoplastic and other cells uh, have more damage for expose exposed to high quantities of nanoplastic. The other cells is the cells in the immune system. Uh, these cells uh, cause cause inflammation for nanoplastic uh, solution uh, for the nanoplastics in the water. A team of third year students at Harvard John Paulson School of Engineering and Applied Science uh, create for one solution the nanoplastic. This use in image uh, use a bioreactor in the bioreactor create microbubbles. These microbubbles use for catch the nanoplastic in the bubble, and this particle surface in the superfice, and technology technology used for the uh, wait technology used for the mm, search nanoplastics in water. This research used a technology involving two lasers called stimulated Raman scattering. These lasers detect nanoparticles, uh, nanoplastic, used to machine to identify and use the this laser uh, no not only um, using nanoplastic uh, have different applications in the image. These applications is material analysis, contaminant detection, chemical identify, and biomolecule analysis. This technology detection polyamide 66, polypropylene, and polyethylene, and other nanoplastic and microplastics. Now, examples the nanoplastic in the water. Uh, Plastic bottles have nanoplastic. How they enter drinking water? Bottles degrade over time, releasing tiny plastic particles in the water. And other example, water treatment plants. The treatment plants can filter all microplastic and nanoplastic, allowing them enter the drinking water supplies.